Shop time of day back at you. Well, decision's been made. Time to reveal what the next project's going to be. Co-op E3 made it in. I did not record the moving of it in. I anticipated non-eventful, and I was wrong. Apparently, must be some water in the rear end and froze up because the rear wheels was kind of skidding around, and put some heat on the rear end and eventually broke it free and moved it in here. Let's just really hope that we didn't pop any teeth off a ring gear or pinion gear. All that said, man, I don't know where I'm even going to start on this project. I guess we just got to find a place and start digging in. Time to tear down. First piece coming off, fellas. I guess start by looking under the hood. See what we got. Well, in my mind's eye, that hood was going to come off there easier. Ah, yes. Back to the struggle bus. Anybody got any idea what comes between a 1/2 inch and 14 millimeters? Scratch that. 13 millimeters and 14 millimeters. Because 13 millimeters is 5'11", and that was too tight. And 14 millimeters is around 5'51". And that felt loose to me. I don't know of any sockets in between those sizes though. But we got them broke loose. So moving right along. Alright. Now the cowling. Okay. Now we're starting to see something. I wonder if there's any hydraulic oil in it. Where do we go next? I guess I'll figure it out. Okay, everybody, time for the big reveal. Oh, come on, it only should weigh like 75 or 80 pounds. That's way smaller than the one that was on the Case D.
Need some leverage. Buddy, oh buddy, I can't tell you how.
Maybe it's stuck on all this dirt right here.
Doubt that's it.
Okay. A little help from our persuasion device. We're almost there.
I'm gonna keep sliding back down.
You can do it.
I'm not tall enough and I need bigger Wheaties and better muscles.
You can do it. Yucky. All right, it's off of there. Now with a little daylight action. Would you guys believe me if I said I've actually worked on one that was worse than this? Yeah. Upon closer inspection, it looks as though the side of the sleeve is busted out on number 2 and number 3. Yeah. Onward and upward, we'll figure it out. Got that chunk out of there and cleaned it up. If we could focus. The way that is broken makes me believe this is a cast iron sleeve, which makes sense. It wouldn't take very much for as thin as what this is to just pop, break out of there. But anyway, I think we're going to cut the video here. We're at the end of the weekend. I need to step back and think about this, look into what the parts are going to be for it. I'll bring you back when ready for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Come back for more Shop Time with Dave.